Here's the occasional gauge cluster issue that happens on some of these LS 400s. You can see we're driving, we got nothing. So you gotta find the right spot. This usually works for the tach. There we go, got the tach. Hey, it looks like we got both gauges. Let's see. Yeah, looks like we're working. Come on, focus. Yeah, we're back in business now. So I haven't had to do this in 2, maybe 3 years. I don't know if weather has something to do with it. I don't know if, you know, the amount the car gets driven has something to do with it. But I understand there is a fix for it, but it involves taking the whole cluster out and resoldering some connections. But, you know, this works fine. So, you know, until it becomes more bothersome, I'm not going to worry about it. When I got this car in August of 2015, and now it's May of 2021, and it's been doing this the whole time. So, but just intermittently. So, you know, it's just not that big of a deal. So, anyway, hope this helps, and thanks for watching.